this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Klarna to Stan Store. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Klarna is a payment method that automatically appears on your Stan Store as long as you meet certain criteria. Alongside Klarna, Afterpay is going to also appear automatically. So in order to set these up and make sure that they are available on your Stan Store, you will have to meet two main criteria. First, you will need to be part of the Creator Pro subscription. So if you don't have a Creator Pro subscription, you will need to acquire one. Next, you need to have a Stripe custom account connected to your Stan Store. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Stripe account and make sure that the connection was established. For the Creator Pro subscription, you will be able to find it available and activate it as needed. So for Stripe, go over to Settings on your store, choose Payments, and then you will find Stripe. All that you have to do is click on Register at the right side of Stripe. This will open a new tab and you will be able to create My Stan Stripe account. Make sure that the home country has been selected properly and then proceed. Now you will be redirected to the Stripe page. If you have never made a Stripe account before, input mobile number, email address, and follow through with the instructions. If you already have an account, then upon inputting your email, it will be detected. So verify your login and make sure that you create a valid Stripe account. With all of this done, you will be able to add an account for payouts by using a routing number, account number, and so on. So connect a bank account, and finally, once you are done with this process, the Stripe account will now be connected under the Payments window. With this done, like I said before, as long as you have a Creator Pro subscription active and the Stripe account was connected, Klarna is going to automatically appear. Klarna will only appear as well if you are based in one of many countries such as Australia, Austria, Belgium, Canada, United States, and so on. Depending on the region that you are located, you will not find Klarna. Your store also needs to accept certain currencies. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Klarna to Stan Store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.